County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:39 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Stevenson to Pound and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Marinette, Porterfield, Harmony, and Peshtigo. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, and deadly lightning. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Marinette County, Wisconsin.